Hello guys, welcome to the next lesson of Easily Learn Java from IT Expert YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the variables and type of variables in a Java, and also about the user input and output of that in Java, and what is the condition in Java. We will discuss about all of these topics today. First of all, let's discuss about the variables. What is variables? We can call the variables is a piece of a memory that contain a value of a data. Let me show for you with example in Eclipse. First of all, I will define type of variables. Integer, this called integer. Integer, this is a type of the variables. Integer is x. X means name for your variables. Integer is a type of variables. We have many type of variables. We'll discuss about that. If we explain integer x, integer x, which means that we can define for our x a value. X equal to 10. Now let's output it. System, we have studied about the system.out.println. What it should print? It should print the x for us. Yeah, let's run this. Yeah, it's printed our value 10. This is called the type of variables, and this the name for our variables, and in here we have defined it then value for our variables. We have many type of variables. Let me explain. These are some type of variables: byte, short, integer, long, flat, double, boolean, char. Type all different is with the usage of it. Example, type size is 1 byte, and the value which it can store is from -128 up to 127. And a short value have a 2 byte size. It stores 2 byte size, and this is the value that it can store. It's -22,768 up to 22,767. And integer, it can also store a number from this size. It store 4-bit, and long store 8-bit. Float is store the 4 bits, but float can store decimal number, decimal digit as well. And double also store decimal digits as well, but it is 8-bit. And another thing is boolean is 1 bit. It stores true or false. We'll use all of them with example. And char will store 2 bit and store a single characters. Let's assume I have used the integer. Let's use the double. What is different between these? Let me use the double. In here I'm using the type of our variable should be double. Yeah, and double x, and x is equal to 10. Let's print it. It's print 1001 because the double will display the decimal. Example, if it be 555.6, let us print it. Its print is 55.6. If our variable type be integer, let me print, it will not print for us. It will give us error because our number is decimal. This is the problem. And if it be short, again it will give us error. If we describe the variables value be 5, it can display for us. This was the different type of variables, and we'll use the boolean variable and char variable in with example in later. Now let's discuss about the user input. User input, it means the user can enter some number, and again it should display for the user. There is a variable name by name of scanner for type scanner. What should be the name of it? It be scan. We'll put it scan. Okay, now we define new scanner. What should be system dot in. We have defined it in last session system dot out. Now we want to insert someone. User should insert something. It should be system dot in. So in here first your ace should be capital. Yeah, again it give when you're writing first time this variable scanner variable, it will give us error in. So how you can solve this problem? When you come over, when your pointer of mouse come over your over the name of the scanner, it will give us the solution. We'll select the first solution, import java.utility. Yes, it will import it for us, and it will insert. It will now it solve it our problem. And this system.in is should be with capital letter. Yeah. Okay. This command will enable us that user can enter. So now we will define integer for us. Define the variable for this. It should be integer. What should be the name of integer? User input. User input number. It's equal to. In here, what this integer should equal? It should equal by with the name of this. This is the name of our scanner variable. It should be scan dot next integer. Next integer, what does mean? Next integer mean the integer with the user, which user has been imported. Yeah. Now we can use to output our input system dot out dot print ln. Yes, what it should be, what it should print, it should print for us. We'll define like this: your number is. What is our number? In here, system dot out dot print. What it should print? It should print the user input number. User input number. It should print for us this one. Yes, let's run our code. Let's type in here 55. Your number is 55. But we want something else. We want to it first. If it should ask for us, please enter your number. Then it should display for us. We'll add something in here. First, it should system.out.println. Yes. Enter your number. This line should be where this line should be. Okay, let it be here. We'll run it. Okay, don't forget that this one. It gave us error because in here is a problem. Println. Yes. Again, it's not asking why, because we define it. It is here. We will cut it. After the scan, it should ask about the number. Yeah. Now it will ask about the number. Enter your number. I will enter 55. Your number is 55. Yes. Like this, we can do uh, we can get the user input and output. One another important topic we'll discuss, I should mention that in here also, another important topic is about the mathematic. Yes, about the mathematic. How you can work mathematic in Java. Let me explain for you. Assume we have integer x, y, and it should be answer. Well, these are the variables name. If x equal to 10 and y equal to 15, yes, what should be the answer? Answer equal x should be y should minus 2x. This is the answer. What should be the output? System dot out dot println. The answer should output should be the answer of our variable. Yes, this should be the answer. Let's test it. Yes. From 50 minus 10, it's become the 40. Yes. In here we can define any mathematic operation. It should be multiply. Yeah. Let us assume. Yeah. It became 500. It should divide. Yes. It became 5. Like this, you can define a mathematic operation in a Java. Let's work on a project with this one, with user input and this mathematic operation. We'll create one things that it should ask about the. We'll create a project when a user enter a number, it should give us a 10% of that. Yes, let's start this project. We'll use the scanner, scan, new scanner to enable the user input. New scanner system dot in. Yeah, system dot in. What should be? Now it asks for our number. System dot out dot println. Please enter your number. Yeah. When a person entered their number, what they should do? Next it should will define one another integer, example integer x. Integer x will be equal to scan integer x. In here, integer x and answer. We can define another integer, another variable name by name of answer. Integer x should be equal to scan. First it should be define the integer for our input. Yes. Integer, what should be? User number. First the user should enter the number. User number equal to scan dot next integer. Yeah. Okay. After getting enter, now in here we will define another integer. The name should be x. X equal should be the user number. Yes, the name should be the same as user number. This like this one. User number become multiplied to 10 divided to 100 because we want to any number the user input, it should give us about 10 percentage of that number. Yes. What should system dot out dot print len? Yes, it should print for us the x. Yeah. Let's run the code. Enter your number. I will enter it the 100. 100, the percentage of 100 is 10. It should define for us this your number percentage is 10. Yeah. In here we'll explain for it. First system.out. In here we can also define, through this one also, your percentage, your 10 percentage, your 10 percentage of number is equal. Yeah, this should like this, it should print for us. Equal to like this. Your 10 percentage of number is x. Let's run now. It gave us error. Okay, let's define it with another way. First of all, we define that output system dot print len, system dot out dot print len. Yes, but it should print your 10 percentage is. Your 10 percentage is equal to like this. Now we will print it. Let's see. Yes, enter your number. I will enter 100. Your 10 percentage of number is like this. 100. Your 10 percentage of number is 10. Your 100 percentage, like if we define that our number should be like 1000 or 500,000. Yes, 10 percentage of 5000 is 500. Like this we can define the percentage, and we can use the mathematic and user input. Another topic we will discuss is about the if condition. If condition will be used in a Java, that if something is like equal to this, condition will make a condition of if. Example, integer will define one variable, integer x. Yes, in here x equal to 10. Yeah. Now in here I will define a condition if bracket star if x will be equal to 100, and if we should use this one, this rocket start, rocket down. What should be the output? Yes, system dot out dot print len, that it should say your number is equal. Your number is correct. It is we'll use for example. Yeah, we'll close it, and let's play this one. Okay, why it gave us error? Because we have added one more rocket, so I have removed it. Now it's give us the output. Let's say your number is correct. If I will increase the value of s to 88, let's what will be the output? It will output nothing. In here we can add the condition else condition, else system dot out dot println. If the x should not correct, it should print as you're wrong. Let us run this one. You're wrong. Let if it be 10, it will tell as your number is correct. Like this we can create the if condition for our Java. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you got something. If you have any problem, any question, anything, you can add in the comments, and you can ask any question regarding the Java from us. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a nice time.